Hey guys, hey class.
Class.
Say that. I'm doing the video right now. Okay, hey class, today we'll be doing. Everybody, listen up. Listen up. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Okay, class. Today, I'm sorry for looking. Class, we'll be looting. Okay, we'll be looting. Hey man, hey, let me do it. Okay, so my name is Professor. My name is Chef PP. By the way, let's get it. Okay. You guys learn about fidget spinners.
Yay!
Everybody wants a fidget spinner like that. Oh God. Okay. So, anybody has a question about fidget spinners?
Huh?
Foxy, do you have a... Oh, Foxy.
Huh?
Foxy.
Huh?
Supposed to say something.
About Kristen?
About, no, not question. About the fidget spinners.
How do you spin them?
How you spin them? Whoa, wow. Okay, like this.
Oh. No, like, how do they spin?
They just spin like that.
Oh.
You have to do like that. Put your two palms like that. And then spin. Oh, stop! Oh, my mouth! Okay, I'm good. So, and what else we'll be learning about? What else? That noise. What else we'll be learning about cocktail today? That's going to be in 2 minutes. But we have to do this. Oh, got the cane. So, we have to be ready. We have to do this toys quickly. So, this is how you make a toy. I make a fidget spinner. Hey, you! Don't pay attention! Foxy! You have to get plastic. You have to get... stand the camera up. Not like that. Okay. Do you see me?
Yeah.
Do you see me? Okay, you got to see me. Okay. You have to have plastic, and you have to fire it up, and then you have to paint it. You have to use the plastic like this, and then put the, burn it to make it hard, and then make this piece to stick on, and then fidget it like that. And there's a fidget cube too. That's what I'll show you. There's a fidget cube like fidget. Okay, fidget into it. How time you get you have to go all the way over there. That's the camera. So you put Foxy down and get out there. Okay. And go. Oh, I had to clean. Okay, class. I clean up there. Oh, I had to clean up there. Oh, God, I need to clean up. And then, now, knock. Oh, hello. Who's this? Okay. Hello. Okay. Come in, cop. Come in, cop. What are you here to talk about?
Okay,
I'll just get out. I'll just get out of the room. What are you here to talk about?
I'm here to talk about that I'm here to keep you safe.
Do you have any questions?
Do you have any questions? Those are mine.
Okay. I do.
Okay, what's your question?
My question is, why are you a cop?
Oh, that's a good question.
Use a chalk right there.
Okay. Because I
You can use on here.
So I can
Dude, sound like a cop, like hey, like that.
more cops can can protect.
Just do it, go, quick. Just say it. And say, okay. Say, okay. Don't say, okay. Don't say down there, just say it right now. Not there.
Protect. Okay.
Okay, so now you go to the next question about when we arrest the bad guys.
The next question.
The next potion.
The next potion.
The next ocean. Yeah, you say that.
The next potion.
Next potion.
Next potion.
Is we do the taking the bad guys away.
We taking the bad guys away.
Like something else, like we take them away and we cuff them. Like tell them why we do that.
We take them away because.
Hey, I have a question.
What is it?
How do you get the cops? How do you arrest the cops?
I'm not a bad guy.
No, I mean, how do you arrest the bad guys?
Like we say, we hit them and say, hey.
Oh.
I hear you. Okay. And a police stands there and wait on a chair. Okay, any more questions?
No, God, this is boring.
Okay, I have a fun activity for you.
What?
You can come in the police car and I'll give you a drive.
Can we get costumes? Like, I don't want to do that. Why do we have to be here at summer school?
Well, that's a good question. So, you can learn.
Oh.
So you
Oh, yeah.
can learn.
You're going to take a break right here and just stay right here, okay? And I'm going to do something, okay?
Okay.
Learn.
Okay. And, okay.
Just like
break time.
We're done. Just stay right there. Stay. Don't talk. Yeah, okay. Oh. I can watch Charlie now. Charlie, okay. Okay, just stay. Just give me a second, okay? You can watch TV. Oh, all right. Hey, okay, hold the camera. At me. Oh, okay. Oh, hey guys. Hey guys. Yeah. Thank you. Well, I'm late for class. Follow me. Oh, okay, I get to class. Oh, I'm late. Well, it's okay. Cause I'm Charlie. I go down, go. Charlie, where is Charlie? Charlie. Okay. Charlie Branso. Oh. Hold on, okay, calm down, okay. Oh, Charlie. So funny.
Nah.
No, not yet. Okay, sorry. No, I'm sorry. Just give me a second. Oh, that was funny. So, Charlie. Yeah. But I do know what. Okay, hold this. Hold the camera. And I put him down. Do. Look at me.
I'll see you afterward. And we'll have a nice.
Come over here.
You're SpongeBob.
Yes, I'm doing so smart. Okay. Make a noise.
Oh. Okay.
Not like that. Like, do like, yeah. Okay. I'm John. Okay. Look. Point at me. Okay. We're at the library. We have to be quiet. Book.
Huh?
Turn this way. Just look at me. Turn it up. Get a book. Stand right there. Look at me.
I need to use the bathroom.
No, hold on, hold it. Hold on, sorry. Go, 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 use the bathroom. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh. Oh, Charlie, you're funny. Okay, thank you guys for watching that video. I'm just being funny. Well, if you want to, just keep subscribing. We'll have more fun. After this video, we're going to do one more video, and I'll take a break. So see you guys. Rock it out. Bye.